everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Crafts, and I'm going to be making over this bulb using Dollar Tree vinyl. So first thing I want to do is cut this off here, and then I'm going to pop this off, which I already popped off, and then this is all going to come off of here. Now I'm pretty sure I can just peel this right off. So we get that up. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to take the black vinyl. Yeah, I think the black vinyl. Maybe I should do silver. I'm going to take the black vinyl and I'm going to cover my bulb with it. So I'm going to go ahead and get that cut out. All right, I have my piece all cut out, and then I'm going to take the vinyl off the paper here. And I am going to stick it onto my bulb. Very simple. Now the only problem I might have is it's sticking, because this vinyl does not stick very good. Yep, I think what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to stick a little glue on there, and I just have this glitter glue that I got off of Amazon. I'm just going to go around the edges with the glitter glue. See, it makes a really fine little glue tip on there. It's nice and precise. I use this for quite a few things, making cards too. So I'm just gonna go around and get my glue on here and get it stuck down. Okay, now while that's drying, I am going to take my X-Acto knife and I am going to cut out around the bulb. So I got my cutting mat here, and I'm just going to cut the vinyl out right around the bulb like this. Okay, my bulb is all cut out. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little tree ornament that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take the silver vinyl that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put that on the tree. So this stuff isn't the greatest for cutting, but I've been using it in my crafts, and I think it looks really cool. I wish I could have got my hands on some of the checkered vinyl though. That would have been a lot better. So I am going to go ahead with my glue again, and I'm just going to go around the outer edges of the tree. I have that glued, and I am going to go ahead and start cutting. And I'm just going to take my X-Acto knife again, and I am just going to cut around the tree. Now I've done this in a previous video. It does take a little bit longer to cut the tree than the bulb, but I think the trees look really pretty with this vinyl on there. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cut out. All right, I got my tree all done, and then I'm going to start putting this together. So I am going to get my topper on my bulb put back on here. Got to be careful with this too, because it is metal and the heat from the hot glue will go right through the metal. Make sure I get that on there straight. Yep, it's warm. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then I am going to actually take some of this trim and I'm going to go around my bulb. I think I want to put it on the outside, but this is kind of a thick corner, so I'm going to put it up just a tad higher. So I'm going to stick a little here, and then I'm going to stick it, see, up on this upper edge up here. So not in the middle, but on the upper edge of the form here of the bulb. So right like this. And then I'm going to go all the way around like that towards the top edge of the bulb. Okay, I have my tinsel ribbon all the way around my bulb, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my tree on. I'm going to try to center this the best that I can in the bulb here. And I don't want to put too much hot glue close to the edges because I don't want it to squish out onto my project. So I'm thinking it should stick pretty good anyways. All right, well, whether it's centered or not, it's stuck on. All right, and then I was contemplating I was gonna hang it, but I didn't really know where to hang it. So I am just going to, I think I was gonna make a stand for it because this could, I mean, it's not super big. It probably could fit on a tiered tray. maybe the top shelf of a tiered tray. So what I want to do is I want to make it stand, but this is going to be kind of difficult because I don't want it to be off center because the bottom's round. So I am going to have to do my best to try to keep it straight, I think. So I'm going to take my block and try to line it up down here. Let's see. Oh, it's gonna have to stick off quite a bit here to be onto the bottom. All right, I am gonna just go ahead and chance it. I'm gonna stick some hot glue on my Jenga block here, and then I'm gonna flap it down and push my bulb up against it. Okay, well, it's standing. I'm just gonna take this other craft block that I have. Gosh, excuse me, just cleared my throat like crazy today. And I'm gonna stick this on here also, just to give it a little extra support. Okay, then I just have one more thing I'm gonna do. I have this ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna make a little bow to put on top. Everything you see here was all from Dollar Tree, just so you know. All right, I have my bow made, and that is gonna go right on here. Just gonna use a little hot glue for that. And stick it on here. And then I wanna make sure that my ribbon's gonna hang decent on here. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, well, that is it. I think this is gonna look really cute sitting on my mantle or wherever I decide to put it, but I really do like the stand. You don't see bulbs on stands very often. So, that's it. That is all. I used 2 different kinds of vinyl, some ribbon, my bulb that I bought. I mean, this is like one of the more simpler projects I've done in a long time. So all I have left to say is I hope you subscribe, hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload, and that's it. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.